Let's unbox some packages. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. So this video, I'm unboxing a lot of packages. Okay, so first of all, I just want to say thank you to all the brands that have sent me packages. This is just the beginning of something really huge for me, and I'm really, really grateful. So guys, most of these brands, I have discount codes just in case you want to shop and get some money off. Okay, so where do I start? Let me start from this. This is Phi 2. This is a glasses brand. They sent me 3 of their glasses. Ugh. Anyone that has a code, I'm just going to leave the codes on the screen. It comes in with a pouch. So this. So cute. So guys, you can actually get your prescription from them too. So go shop for any type of glasses if you want shades, if you want clear glasses like this, if you want to prescribe, they got you covered. So this is another glasses brand. I think it's pronounced Iolia. I don't know. So they sent me 4. It comes in the same pouch like this. Let me open it and show you guys. So it's 4. These are clear glasses. Ooh, I love this. So this is the second one. I love the pattern. And then cat eye. And this is the cutest. Like, look at this. Look at this flower details. Super cute. So I also have a discount code for these glasses. I'll put it on the screen so you guys won't miss out on the juicy discounts you get when you shop from them. So up next, so this one is from Lorraine Co. This is a dental brand. They have gum. This gum is so good. Like, I've been chewing it for a while. This is really, really good for your teeth. If you really want to save yourself a couple of dental appointments, get this. It equally has the toothpaste, which is also so good. I have really sensitive teeth and it hurts whenever I take sweets. So with this right here, like, it's been a life changer for me, for my teeth actually, because anytime I take sweets, I don't really take sweets that much, but anytime I take sweets at all, it helps. Yeah, so it fixes your enamel. So go get this fresh bread, and it's sugar free. Yeah, so you can actually enjoy your gum without worrying about the sugar. Get it. These ones are from Tiam, the Korean skincare brand. Let me open it up and show you guys. So this is the toner. This is the Vita B5 toner. Okay, so this is their Panthenol Moist Cream. I think this is a moisturizer. And this is Centella Blending Powder. According to this, it says soothing plus spots. What am I saying? To reduce red spots and blemishes, which is actually really nice. It comes in a powdered form. So thank you, Tiam. So guys, the next box is Icos. You guys already know there's no unboxing without a contact lens. So this is from Icos. They sent me 3 of their contact lenses. 3. This is shade Dawn Gray, Maya Gray, Taylor Brown. Yeah, Taylor Brown. Okay. I love their containers. Like, the container you're going to use to you bring out the contact lens. They are so cute. Like, look at this. Looks like a tiny bear. This is so cute. I'm just going to leave the shades, the colors on the screen so you guys can see the colors I picked. The next one is from a jewelry brand. She said yes. They sell all kinds of jewelries. If you want diamonds, they have it. So yeah, I love their packaging. So the earring I picked is so small. So I don't know how I'm going to. Okay, the inside looks like this. The earring is here. Let me open it and show you guys So this is the stud. So cute and shiny. Okay. Thank you. She said yes. So go grab your jewelry, your diamond, engagement ring, wedding ring from there. They sell really nice things actually. The next up is POV. So when I got the mail from them, I was like, POV Beauty. Really? So guys, this brand is POV, point of view. Yeah. Let me show you my point of view about point of view beauty. Do you get it? Do you get it? Okay. So guys, they sent me their entire skincare, skin prep bundle. Look at this. Michaela. Okay, so this is it here. So I have are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I have the drench it. I have the drip it. I have the whip it. I have the glaze it. And I have the pins. So good. I've used this actually. I've used it twice. And it's so good. It's actually so good for your it's actually meant, it's built as it's a skincare, but you can mainly use it for your skin prep before you start your makeup, which is actually good. I've tried it, and I have an oily skin, so normally too much skin prep is too much for me, but it's not actually bad. It's not bad. I like it. I'll give it a 7.8/10. Yeah, because it's not really bad, but it depends on the day I'm going to go out with my makeup, because I can't always be hydrating my face, but it depends on the weather though. But they did a good job here. Thank you, POV Beauty. So this is intelligent skincare. Like this brand, they went all out. She's really good. I love it. I love intentional brands. Let me open it. Open it. I don't know why I'm so excited. It came with a box. It came with this ribbon. Yeah. I love when they go all out. It's good to know that I have a new purse. Yeah. And I can't wait. Look at this. Like, this is so freaking cute. Like, so cute. Oh, whoa. I love this. This is rich. So this is a glycolic cleanser. Use morning or evening or as directed by your skincare professional. Yeah, this is actually owned by a dermatologist, which is really good because I love me some good skincare products. Not trending products actually. Okay, warning. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Okay, use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using this product, and for a week afterwards. Okay, let me see if it has a scent. This is it's mild actually. It's mild. I love me a good skincare. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Smells good. I love intentional brands. Thank you so much, Intelligent Skincare. So, guys, this is the last product of the unboxing. Like, I feel so good. I feel so blessed. Like, thank God for this experience, this opportunity. There was a time like I wasn't getting any products when I was shooting, but I kept on pushing, and I'm so happy that brands see me and they send me products to try out their product. Like, I'm so happy and I'm so grateful to God. So guys, that's the end of my unboxing, and maybe we'll be seeing more of this because I know that more products are coming in, and I want to share it. I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, Like, share, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.